Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to adjust the quantity input values in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code, and we are going to set starting value, minimum value, maximum value and incremental value for simple and variable product using custom code in WooCommerce. So we are in simple product. Now you see quantity input field. Now go to variable product. Also you see quantity input field. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin. WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet. And then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So first we are going to set input value 2. So this is the starting value. We only want to affect product pages, not cart. And then you see maximum value, minimum value, 82 step, quantity step 2. So this is for simple product. So you can change number like 4. And then you see add filter for variation for variable product. So we set maximum quantity 80, minimum quantity 2. So you can add number according to your requirement for both simple and variable product. Now scroll down, you see insert method auto insert. Location run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to simple product page. Now refresh the page and then you see minimum quantity 4. Now increment plus 2. Maximum. Now you see 80 maximum. Now go to variable product and refresh the page. Now you see quantity 8. So you can add number in code according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.